Here I have NOKIA X71 and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, screen lock, fingerprint or other protection from the following phone. So right now all you need to do is simply start pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards you need to prepare the charger. Here I have the cable USB-C connected to a charger, and let's simply connect this cable into your device. Alright, and start holding power key and volume up together. Keep holding power key and volume up until the no command picture pops up, which is now, and now you can simply disconnect your device. The cable won't be needed right now. And all you need to do is simply hold down power key, and while holding power press volume up once. And this is Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose here wipe data factory reset and press power button to confirm it. Then scroll down to choose yes and simply press power key to choose it. Alright, the phone is sweeping data, the device is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and also fingerprint, pattern or other protections, and now all you need to do is simply press power key to reboot system now, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. And the welcome panel pops up, so now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.